Hey y'all! So, welcome to my first screencast ever about my favorite, or at least one of my favorite, vacation spots. It is Sebago Lake in Maine. And as you can see, there is so much to love. I'm not huge on traveling these days. I was when I was younger, but now I like to stay kind of close to home. So that makes Sebago Lake absolutely perfect for our family. We live just south of Boston, and Sebago Lake is only about 2.5 hours away. So it is in southern Maine, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You can see it's very clean, very pure. Clean and pure. It says right here it's the second largest lake in Maine, and it's the deepest lake in New England. So there's a ton of places to stay around. As we can see, they have hotels, motels, and resorts, cabins and cottages, lots of camping, and inns and bed and breakfast. So I'm going to show you where we like to stay. It's a place called Point Sebago. Point Sebago is a resort, but not your maybe typical resort. It does have camping. It also has cabins and cottages. We'll just go to their website. So it kind of has a Dirty Dancing vibe, which is what I love about it. There's a ton of activities. They have hay rides. They have different classes for both kids and adults. They have camps for the kids during the day. They have sandcastle building contests. We were there on a pirate day where there was pirates walking around singing to us. Zip lining, swimming obviously is amazing. They have cruises. There's a little general store there. It's fantastic. As you can see, they also have golf. I'm not a huge golfer, but I know people certainly are. And I wanted to point out as well that they do winter vacations, which definitely less crowded, nonetheless beautiful. As we can see from some pictures here. Do some skiing, snow tubing, which, what's funner than that? Cross-country skiing, snowmobiling. So really, really cool. Another thing that our family likes to do is we enjoy a nice hike. And so I was just going to show a couple of the little trails around. So here is the Land Preserve. Oh. Nice little loop. Dog friendly, it's easy, so you can take kids, you can do biking, and another one. So you can see it right by the water too, and so tons of different wildlife, chipmunks, squirrels, a bajillion kinds of birds, turtles, frogs, probably bears out there somewhere. I've never seen one, but I wouldn't doubt it. Foxes. Possums, raccoons, probably fisher cats. No, there's a lot. So that's really fun. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys about Sebago is the boating. Obviously, it's a lake. Gorgeous places to boat. I mean, look at that sunset. Are you kidding me? Gorgeous. Lots of places to launch off. And I am not a person who fishes, but I know a lot of people are, and there is great fishing there. So here's some of the species. Let's see. Lots of varieties in that lake. My favorite is this guy, the hornpout. I know nothing about him other than he looks like a very interesting fish. So, all right, this was my screencast about Sebago Lake. If you're looking for a place to get away from it all that's still relatively close to major metropolitan areas in New England, can't recommend this place enough. It's one of my favorite places in the world. And when I'm there, I just feel like the most relaxed, happiest person ever. So I look forward to hearing about all of y'all's vacations, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!